What's up guys, Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with another review. This time we are going to be looking at the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus and brand new cases that I just got in from Supcase. The UB Style and the UB Pro. Let's check them out. So we know that Supcase offers some of the most protective cases for your phone, for your devices out there. And this year is going to be no exception. Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and Note 10 Plus will be hitting the market soon. And I thought I'd give you guys a peek at the things that Supcase has done with these cases. So with that being said, let's go ahead and start the unboxing process. Now this first case we're going to look at, this is the UB Style. This comes in variational colors. I just happen to have the navy color right here. Very minimalistic type case. I'm just going to peel this layer of plastic off the back. Sit that down, not to get too many fingerprints on it. And there's also some plastic right here on the inside. So we've got the two layers of plastic off, and then that is it. So you notice you get a clear hard backing, nice rubberized TPU around the edges, clear cutouts for the camera. There's no screen protector in here. We are going to lock and load, and boom, there we go. This is what your phone will look like in this case. Now, just looking at the case itself, you notice that your camera sits down in a nice groove, that nice recess. You don't have to worry about it getting banged up, scuffed up, any issues. Then if you flip this over, look right here, you get a nice raised lip, nice raised edges on the ends. So if you drop it on that face, that screen is not going to be touched because you have those nice raised edges right there. Feels really good in the hand. It's not slippery. Normally, a lot of these types of materials will feel slippery, but it's not. Nice rubberized grips on the side. All of our cutouts match up. Everything looks really good. Hard back, hard edges, sides, back, and front are all protected in this case. Now, like I said, there's no screen protector here. So if that screen lands on an uneven surface, you do run the risk of damaging it. But for a flat surface, those bumpers on that edge will take care of that. So that is the UB Style for the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Next, we're gonna open the big boys. These are the Unicorn Beetle Pro models. I got one in pink, one in white, and one in blue. I'm gonna take all of them out just so you can see them. This is a lot to take out. A lot of packaging. Now I will remind you that you can go directly here, click on this or scan this QR code. It's going to tell you how to install everything, but I'm going to put it together here on my channel as well, so feel free to stick around and see that. Got the blue one open. This one is the white one. So we got blue and I guess a dark gray. Looks more like a dark gray than a black. So blue and dark gray, white and gray, and then this one is probably gonna be pink and gray. And I guessed it. Okay, so there we go. We got a pink one, we got a white one, and we got the blue one. These are all for the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Now these will be for the Note 10 as well, so don't be worried. If you get either phone, you'll be covered. Let's go over a few of the features first. I'm going to take this blue one. We'll talk about this blue one. I'll sit the rest of them to the side for right now. So blue one, they fit any case, any clip, so don't worry about that. Nice hard backing on that. Hard rubberized shell on it. It is extremely hard. You have a removable face, which come down here around the bottom. Let me get this piece of plastic off. Take that off. And you come down around the bottom and you just pop that edge out, just like so. Once you get that edge popped out, you separate it, sit that down. Let's talk about this. Hard on the inside, rubberized right here, gonna cushion, has a nice kickstand on it. Let's go ahead and get this phone in here. First things first, you want to go ahead and lock this in. Screen goes around. There is no screen protector on here. See, my hand goes right through there. No screen protector. This go around. Drop that in. And voila, there you go. Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus inside the shell of a case we have here in UB Pro. Unicorn Beetle Pro with the kickstand. Let's stand it up for you. Stands like that and stands like that. Now, I'm not going to try on all these cases. I just want to show you how it actually looks. You're going to get a nice protection on that camera. It sits deep down in there. Nice hard rubberized edges. And then over on the front, you get a super raised bezel right here. Way more protection than that UB style because those bezels go way higher over here. Drop it, it's gonna bounce. It's rubberized, it's hard. It's a tank of a case, and it's gonna be great for that brand new phone that you're about to shell out $1,200 for. Also, you got the clip. Clip goes on the side in the holster, just like that. 360-degree range over here, so any way you like to have it on your hip, it's going to work and going to be comfortable. The clip also has padding so that when your screen is in there, it's not going to get scratched up or scuffed up. So it's a great buy, great device by great company. So I'm going to drop a link below so you can check these out for yourself. Remember, this is the Unicorn Beetle Pro for the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and this is the UV style for the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. These will also be available for the Galaxy Note 10, so just keep an eye out. I'll keep links on my channel. I'll keep you updated on the videos. Hopefully this is able to help someone out. Until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.